Okay, so the laptop is quiet now. Just sitting here, and we'll go to a music video. There it is. Hear it? And then if you pull the plug out, it kind of goes away, but it's still there. Just real faint. Plug it back in, and it comes back. Stumped.